Guys, no, susubukan natin mag-try na pull-up challenge. Try na pull-up challenge daw. Ito na. Ayun, sa YouTube tayo. Nag-search ako niyan. Try na pull-up challenge. Yan. Ano ba to? Ano ba to? Yan. Yan.
You get 5 hearts each time you laugh. You lose a heart. Good luck.
Who's on this candle?
Dumbledore.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Gibby, did you eat my donuts? Upper limb difference with only 2 fingers on each hand.
Hi, I'm Grace. I have Escobar syndrome, which makes my muscles and joints tighter.
But that doesn't stop us from giving each other a high five. It's not bad.
Oh, there's a fucking spawn on you, man. There's a spawn on you.
Holy fucking smokes, dude. My cut is insane. Shout out to my barber, dog.
My horses to the older town road. I am gonna run.
Can I put...
Nang kuwet. Diba naman, pangit, di naman nakakatawa eh. Try na pull-up challenge. Ito impossible.
Oh my gosh. What do I do?
And he falls down all by himself, perfectly landing.
Let's get it. No.
Hindi naman nakakatawa eh. Wala namang kwenta sa akin tong mga try not pull-up eh.